Here's the truth about why 83% stay broke after setbacks, hatch or shorts. Most people get this completely wrong. The real problem isn't why 83% stay broke after setbacks, shorts. It's what you believe about yourself. Every single person who succeeded started exactly where you are right now. Exactly. The difference isn't talent. It's the decision to keep going when everything says stop. You don't need more motivation. You need one small action right now, today. I want you to hear this. You are closer than you think. Don't quit 5 minutes before the miracle. 1. Write down your goal. 2. Do one thing toward it today. 3. Tell someone about it. Subscribe for daily motivation. What's your biggest challenge right now? Drop it below.